Lloyd Surname Meaning in History presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: it is a surname derived from the Welsh word llwyd, meaning gray, used as a nickname for a gray-haired person or perhaps for a holy man who habitually wore gray garments. Early bearers include Richard Lloyd of Worcestershire in 1327, Ithell Lloyd of Chirk, Wales in 1391, and Richard Lloyd of Suffolk in 1524. Knighthoods: there was Sir Evan Lloyd, a Welsh politician, knighted in 1586, Sir John Lloyd, knighted in the same year, Sir Robert Lloyd, a member of Parliament, knighted in 1616, Sir John Lloyd in 1624, Sir Edward Lloyd, Welsh politician in 1630, Sir Walter and Sir Francis Lloyd, Welsh politicians in 1642, Sir Marmaduke Lloyd, lawyer and landowner in 1622, Sir Richard Lloyd, a lawyer and politician in 1642, Sir Francis Lloyd, a politician and soldier, knighted in 1643, and Sir Charles Lloyd, a Royalist army officer, knighted in 1644. There was Sir Godfrey Lloyd, a military engineer, knighted in 1657, Sir Richard Lloyd of Hallam in 1674, Sir Philip Lloyd, clerk of the council in 1674, Sir Richard Lloyd of Salop in 1676, Sir John Lloyd, mayor of Bristol in 1678, Sir Charles Lloyd in 1693, Sir Nathaniel Lloyd, an English jurist in 1710, Sir Richard Lloyd, a judge in 1745, and Edward Lloyd, a naval captain in 1834, and lastly, William Lloyd, a major of the East India Company in 1838. Noble titles held include Lloyd Baronetcy of Yale, was created in the Baronetage of England in 1647 for Sir Evan Lloyd. The Lloyd Baronetcy of Garth in the county of Montgomery, created in the Baronetage of England in 1661 for the merchant and politician Sir Charles Lloyd. The Lloyd Baronetcy of Woking in the county of Surrey was created in the Baronetage of England in 1662 for Sir John Lloyd, a member of Parliament for Carmarthenshire. The Lloyd Baronetcy of Millfield in the county of Cardigan was created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1708 for Sir Charles Lloyd, a member of Parliament. The Lloyd Baronetcy of Peterwell in the county of Cardigan was created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1763 for Sir Herbert Lloyd, a member of Parliament for Cardigan. And the Lloyd Baronetcy of Pingwera in the county of Flint was created in the Baronetage of Great Britain for Sir Edward Price Lloyd. His nephew, Sir Edward Price Lloyd, 2nd Baronet, was elevated to the peerage as Baron Moyston in 1831. The Lloyd Baronetcy of Lancing in the county of Sussex was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1831 for Sir James Lloyd, a member of Parliament. And finally, the Lloyd Baronetcy of Bronwood in the county of Cardigan was created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1863 for the Welsh Liberal politician Sir Thomas Lloyd. Landed gentry included Lloyd of Aston Hall in County Salop, Lloyd of Roget in County Merioneth, Lloyd of Glangwilly in County Carmarthen, Lloyd of Leeton Knowles in County Salop, Lloyd of Lancing in Sussex, Lloyd of Silson Hall in County Flint, Lloyd of Codemore in Cardigan, Lloyd of Daneralt, however you pronounce that, Lloyd of Glan 7 in County Carmarthen, Lloyd of Denas in County Brecknock, Lloyd of Tralwyn in County Carnarvon, Lloyd of Castle Lloyd in County Limerick, Ireland, Lloyd of Gloucester in Kings County, Ireland, Lloyd of Croghan in County Roscommon, Ireland, Lloyd of Lloydsborough in County Tipperary, Ireland, and Lloyd of Strancally Castle in Waterford, Ireland. Early settlers included Edward Lloyd in Virginia in 1623, Walter Lloyd in Massachusetts in 1635, along with David Lloyd and Richard Lloyd. And then there was Richard Lloyd, who came to Maryland in 1634, Cornelius Lloyd to Virginia in 1640, and Ambrose Lloyd to Virginia in 1664. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research. Link in the description. Thank you very much.